So it's really important when working with labyrinths that you understand how to draw a labyrinth. And all the 7-path labyrinths, whether they're 3, 7, and whatever other number paths, always start from the seed pattern, aptly named because from this pattern, the seed pattern, the labyrinth grows. So I'm going to show you how to draw the 3-path labyrinth, which is the simplest. So we start with a cross and then roughly box it with some dots. Obviously you can take more time over this and make it as neat as you want. And then the labyrinth grows like this. So you're always going from left to right. And that's your simple 3-path. So the next one, which is the 7-path labyrinth. So you start again. In fact, you start again. Putting L shapes in each corner and then squaring it off again, roughly, with the dots. Now I probably should have brought this further down the page to make a 7-path fit, but you'll get the idea. And again, starting in the middle, always with this middle one, you loop over, and then it's left to right. I'm going to kind of squeeze this onto the page as best I can. You may have to pull the sides out a little bit, but that's okay. Always going round and around and around itself, and you can see the shape that it's taking is a not so perfect 7-path labyrinth. Understanding how to draw a labyrinth means that you carry that knowledge with you wherever you go. So you can then draw these on beaches, make them out of sticks, make them out of stones, whatever you want to. So that's your 7-path labyrinth. The beauty about the labyrinth is that because of the way the seed pattern goes, it has the ability to potentially exist infinitely. And I'll show you why. I'm going to turn the page this way for that. The more L shapes you put in, always squaring off with the dots. This might be a bit messy, this one, but you'll still see what I mean. The bigger the labyrinth grows. Oops. The more circuits the labyrinth has. So in theory, if you continue to put all those little corners in, those little L shapes in, the labyrinth will just continue to get bigger and bigger and bigger, potentially encompassing all and everything, which is why many people who work with labyrinths say that it is a map of the cosmos. And that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11-path labyrinths, and so on and so forth and so forth. It all depends simply how many little corners you put in, and so the labyrinth grows and grows and grows. So that's the seed pattern. We'll just finish showing you the seed pattern once more for the 3-path. This is a 7-path, sorry. That's a seed pattern for the 7-path. And the seed pattern for the 3-path.